crazy. It's happening again. Not 2 months ago, we found a bunch of those feathers and larger ones from the wings of the same bird. Not the same actual individual, but the same species. Just a few meters from here. Now there's feathers and feathers around here. See over here again. And there's a lot of fluff down there. And what is happening? Who's picking on those birds? Oh, there's a huge fluff. Another huge owl or whatever. Those feathers are from an owl. But that's really weird. We almost found half of the wing, like the left side of it, just a few meters away. And now again, there's a lot of feathers around there. Let's see if we can figure that one out. That's crazy. Beautiful birds. Beautiful feathers. This is unbelievable. Well, let's see. You know, a lot of fluff. Crazy stuff. Wow, this is not from the owl. This is from a pigeon. Crazy. Hey guys. I've never been a big fan of the OPINEL knives that are around. I love them and I love to carve with them. But I've never been, I didn't like the looks of them. But recently I came across, for me it was a pretty new knife, and it's called the garden messer, like a gardening knife. And I got to play a little bit around with them and with it, and I really love it. And so what I did, I spent a few minutes in the workshop and let me see, and tried to modify it a little bit. Just a little loop on there. I fried it in oil, just on the top. I didn't want to involve the whole blade in it, but this is it. You can see that it's a spare point or drop point blade on that, and the curvature of the handle is just really nice. Crazy. I saw this OPINEL on the internet somewhere, and I just found out, okay, this would be one of the knives I would love to try. And it's pretty lightweight and it's sharp as hell, and really love it. And so yeah, I spent some time in the workshop and came up with a kydex-sheath for it, just to hold it. I do have this snap-on keychain, whatever thing. You can pass it on without have to, whatever. Love it. You could wear it around your neck or whatever. And yeah, that was fun. Since Ben Orford had this amazing bushcraft knife, the Nomad, and I wasn't able to afford one of those, so but the idea for the kydex-sheath for folder came from this knife. And I saw some other guys, Johnny Rambo or something from England, making a kydex-sheath as well for an OPINEL he did. So I thought, yeah, just try it out. And yeah, so far I love the knife. Cut's amazing. no complaints. And like I said, the blade shape is, you know, I really enjoy that. Nice little everyday carry for me now. Let's see if it drops me at one point, you know, if it fails me in my everyday tasks. But so far, very good. Down here, are you good? Are you doing good? Oh yes, you do. Okay. So just for the fun of it, I'm cutting tasks at the OPINEL garden as well. Really nice. No problem at all. All these notches here. This amazingly thin blade is just sweet little curls. Pretty good thighs. Yeah, it's really confident hand. No problem taking both things off. Nice. This is real fancy with this kydex-sheath.